If you love traveling, then this is the perfect product for you. Introducing the HEYMKGO Makeup Bag with LED mirror, your perfect travel companion. It's crafted from waterproof PU leather. This durable and easy to clean makeup bag features a zip design and a built-in 1200 milliamp battery rechargeable via USB. So this is how the mirror looks with the fixed compartments, and this is the Type-C charging cable, so no more batteries needed. And here you can organize your beauty essential effortlessly with fixed compartments and dividers to hold brushes and jewelry securely. And to set up, all you need to do is pull out the mirror and secure it like this. It has 3 adjustable lighting mode, and when you long press it, it dims to bright and then from bright to dim depending on how much light you need. And here is the rechargeable port. Once fully charged, it will provide a week of a daily use, and it takes only 120 minutes to fully charge. And this compact bag holds all your essential in one place, like jewelry and your makeup or lipsticks or makeup brushes. And the adjustable mirror angle ensures precise makeup application on the go, making it a stylish and a practical gift for any makeup lover. And you can apply your makeup easily with a low light setting environment, and it is perfect gift for any makeup lover, perfect for special occasions like Mother's Day, Valentine's Day or Christmas. So travel in style with HEYMKGO. If you like this review, I have a link in the description box if you like to purchase, and also check out HEYMKGO's other products like makeup brushes and other travel essentials. And I will see you guys next time with another simple review or a video. Till then, bye bye.